guys. Hi guys, this is Assam from Safe Network. Today I'm going to talk about Untangle QOS Setup. This Untangle QOS Setup is very important task for if anyone have idea to build Untangle Firewall. So this is the first thing I hope we have to do in Untangle. So let's see how can we do it. So for access QoS, we have to go in config tab, in network, then I hope it should be in under advanced tab. Here it is, QoS. So before this QoS setup, we should have to know how much bandwidth we have. Actually, this is one of our real customer environment. I'm going to set up this Untangle. So the customer has 4 Mbps bandwidth speed internet connection. So if you want to check, you can go Google what is my bandwidth speed, then you can go fast.com, then you can find your bandwidth speed. So in this customer, I think he has 4 Mbps internet connection. So first you have to convert this 4 Mbps to kbps. So let's see, I have 4 Mbps internet connection. So if you convert to kbps, it should be a 4000 kbps. Let's copy it. Then again you can go Untangle. First we should have to enable QoS. Then we can assign how much kbps we have. So we have 4000 kbps. That means 4 megabits. Then 4000. We have upload bandwidth speed also 4000. Then we can save. Once this basic setup is saved, let's see, it's a bit slow connection because I'm working remote, so it takes some time to save. Okay, it saves successfully. Then after that we have to understand QoS priorities. What is this QoS priorities? So this is our 100% of 4 Mbps. That means our default priority is medium. Medium means we have 12.8%. So we can explain like that. So we have 4000 kbps. So if someone assign medium priority into 12.8 percentage means he can get 512 kbps. So actually this customer have 4 Mbps connection. He has 10 computer, 10 users. So I hope if can get one user 512 kbps, it will be enough. It should be enough. He can access Outlook, he can do some basic web browser things. He can work smoothly in office environment. So this is the QoS setup. Once the QoS setup, then we can go one by one apps. Let's see one of apps how we can set up with this QoS. Let's on bandwidth controller. So we have to enable bandwidth controller. then we can go set up wizard. That's easy. This is very powerful tool for Untangle this bandwidth controller. So we can go next. See, so we have 4 BBS connection because we already configure QoS in the config page. If not configure QoS there, we cannot see this information here. So that's the reason when we're going to configure Untangle fresh, so we have to do first configuration that QoS. So let's go next configuration. There is some templates here, so if you want to do one by one, you can go customs. I think we can go business. It should be on 4-phase. Then next, the enable quotas. So we can assign here end of month per user 5 GB. Once over 5 GB per user, after that we can assign he can access the bandwidth speed in medium speeds. I hope you should know what is this medium. Medium means you can access 512 kbps internet connection speed. So I'm telling here end of month. Before end of month this 5 GB is finished, you can go 512 kbps internet speed he can access. Okay, so finish. Close. So this is the bandwidth controller basic setups. So let's see here hosts. So we can see those are devices connected in this environment. I hope yes. This would be a server, main server. He already allocated 5 GB. Then there is another device at the moment. He allocated 5 GB. Okay, so you can see here quota usage. We allocated each user 5 GB. So here remaining 5 GB. So once finish this 5 GB quota with full bandwidth speed, that means 4 Mbps speed. After 5 GB he can access only 512 kbps internet speeds. Okay, let's see some other configuration here. You can go apps. So okay, now I can do one more task. So customer requesting, we have to control this YouTube bandwidth. The customer requesting he has to minimize, reduce bandwidth speed of YouTube. So let's see how we can do that. Reduce bandwidth control of YouTube. So let's go to apps. It should be under bandwidth controller. In bandwidth control, we can click the rules tab. Maybe already there is YouTube. No, there's no YouTube. So we can add freshly. We can go add. And we can type reduce bandwidth speed for YouTube. Bandwidth, you can check. Yes, this is the bandwidth YouTube. Okay, then we can do a net condition. Net condition should be hostname. Hostname should be staryoutube.com. Then we can give set priority. Yes, then priority medium is 512 kbps. Low priority, we can give low priority of YouTube. That means that office environment YouTube access not so necessary for that customer. That's the reason I give the priority of bandwidth in my bandwidth priority for low. So done. Save. So I hope you guys understand what is the low priority. If you want to recheck what is the low priority, you can go config, network, in advanced, and QoS, and QoS priority, low. Low means 6% of bandwidth speed. So let's see how much 6% of my total bandwidth speed. 4000 into 6%. Oh, he can get only 240 kbps speed for YouTube. That's fine. So this I think this tutorial enough for any beginners to build Untangle. Okay guys, you can subscribe me. I will do next tutorial about I hope to do this web filter. So actually this is my first video about Untangle. So if anyone have any doubt, you can comments below. I'll try to reply. And also if anyone have to buy Untangle, please inbox me. Please email to us. Thank you very much guys. Have a nice day.